Hi folks, so this will be our first video and we will try to unbox these two Godzilla action figure. One is Godzilla and the other one is Baragon. So we will start opening the Godzilla first. Alright, and there's a green chicken that's blocking the view, so let's start off unboxing this one. Alright, so let me just remove this. By the way, before we open it, so this is the packaging. Okay, so this one is bought in Manila if you're viewing from outside the Philippines. So yeah, okay, so we will proceed in unboxing now. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it's not that difficult to remove, which is good. Okay, so this is not a blind box.
Obviously.
Yeah, this is not a blind box.
Of course, it's not a blind box when
Alright.
it's not showing the other toys you can get on the back.
Oh wait, we're getting a different one.
That's how it normally looks.
Really? It's my son who's talking at the background. So
It looks kind of derpy.
is this really the Godzilla?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes they look like that. Sometimes they paint it like that. I've seen videos of those.
Oh really?
And then they paint, and then when it comes out, it's like that. Or sometimes another color, I think. If I
Interesting.
remember.
So we need to remove the clip on the side. Let's see if we can untangle it.
Let me get something.
So I didn't anticipate that there's an extra lock inside. So let's try to untangle this. I'm not sure if I have a handy scissor with me here that can. Okay, give me a moment. I found one. I hope this one will work. I hope. Nope. Okay, good. So we managed to remove the wrap.
Yeah, that green Godzilla kind of looks like Giraffes from Ultraman.
Oh, okay. So we have to twist the tail. Oh, okay.
Okay, it's really nice.
But it doesn't. It's not exactly the replica of what's in the box. Oh, I didn't anticipate that this will be the arrangement for this. Anyway,
I forgot to remind you.
It's a good material.
Yeah, it's good. Let me feel it.
To try it. Okay, we'll put it in the box. So we'll have to twist the tail back again to its original position.
Yeah.
And then we have to. Sorry about that. Then we have to put it back. And you have to just remove this tiny bit.
Yeah, I like the box art.
Okay.
I like the box art. It's pretty cool.
I see. Okay.